AI is either going to make you rich on YouTube or get your channel completely banned. There's no in between. And right now I'm seeing so many people use AI the wrong way, and they're wondering why their channels are getting terminated or why they're stuck at 0 views. Meanwhile, other creators are using AI correctly and they're building massive channels faster than ever before. The difference isn't luck. It's knowing how to use these tools without triggering YouTube spam detection and without creating garbage content that nobody wants to watch. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to run a YouTube channel the right way. The way that actually works in 2026, the way that doesn't get you banned, and the way that can genuinely save you hours of work while producing better content than most human creators. I've been running Faceless channels for over 10 years, I've built multiple channels using AI tools, and I've helped over 11,000 creators do the same thing inside my community. So everything I'm about to share comes from real experience, not theory. Let's get into it. First, let's address the elephant in the room. YouTube is not anti-AI. I need you to understand this because there's so much confusion out there. People see channels getting banned and they think YouTube is cracking down on AI content. That's not what's happening. YouTube is cracking down on low-value spam content. There's a massive difference. YouTube's CEO literally said that AI is the future of the platform. They're integrating AI tools directly into YouTube. They're adding AI features for creators. They want you to use AI. What they don't want is people using AI to mass produce garbage that doesn't help anyone. The channels getting banned are the ones uploading AI-generated slop with no human oversight. Reddit story channels that just scrape content and auto-generate videos. Fake news channels spreading misinformation. Clickbait channels with AI thumbnails showing things that never happened. That's what's getting banned. Not legitimate creators using AI as a tool to enhance their content. So stop being scared of AI and start learning how to use it properly. And if you want my team to personally guide you through this entire process and make sure you're doing it right from day one, that's exactly what we do inside Tube Accelerator. But let me break down the framework for you right now. The right way to use AI on YouTube follows what I call the enhancement model, not the replacement model. Most people think AI should replace them entirely. They want to click a button and have a finished video pop out. Zero effort. That approach fails every single time. Instead, you need to think of AI as a really talented assistant that can do 80% of the work while you handle the critical 20% that actually matters. The 20% is quality control, creative direction, and making sure your content actually provides value. The 80% is the tedious stuff like writing, first drafts, editing visuals, generating voiceovers, and all the repetitive tasks that used to eat up your entire day. When you use AI this way, you get the best of both worlds. Speed and efficiency from the AI, quality and originality from you. Let me show you exactly how this works at each stage of the video creation process. Stage 1 is ideation and research. This is where AI absolutely shines. In the old days, finding video ideas meant spending hours scrolling through YouTube, looking at competitors, and trying to figure out what's working. Now you can do this in minutes. I use AI to analyze top-performing videos in any niche. You feed it a list of viral videos and ask it to identify patterns in the titles, hooks, and topics. Within seconds, you have a list of proven concepts you can recreate. But here's where most people mess up. They take those AI-generated ideas and run with them blindly. Wrong approach. You need to filter those ideas through your own judgment. Does this make sense for my audience? Is this topic actually valuable? Can I add something unique to this? The AI gives you raw material. You shape it into something worth watching. I built a tool called Tube Magic specifically for this process. You can input competitor videos and it analyzes what's working and generates ideas based on proven frameworks. But even with tools like this, you still need human oversight. Never publish an idea just because AI suggested it. Stage 2 is script writing. This is the most important part of your entire video, and it's where most AI content falls apart. Here's the problem with using ChatGPT or Claude to write scripts directly. They write generic content that sounds like everyone else. They don't understand YouTube-specific frameworks for retention. They don't know how to write hooks that stop the scroll, and they pad scripts with filler words that kill your watch time. The right way to use AI for scripts is to give it extremely specific instructions and context. Don't just say, write me a script about YouTube niches. Instead say, write me a 10-minute YouTube script about finding profitable niches. Use this hook framework. Include these specific points. Write in a conversational tone with short, punchy sentences. Reference these 3 videos as examples of the style I want. The more context you give, the better output you get. But even then, you're not done. You need to go through that script line by line. Cut the fluff, punch up the hooks, add your own examples and personality. The AI writes the first draft, you write the final draft. This process takes a 20-minute script writing task down to maybe 5 minutes of actual writing. The rest is just editing and improving what the AI created. Stage 3 is voiceover. And this is where AI has gotten scary good. Tools like 11 Labs can generate voiceovers that sound completely human. You can even clone your own voice so you never have to record again. But there's a right way and a wrong way to do this. The wrong way is using the same default voices everyone else uses, those robotic sounding voices that everyone recognizes as AI. If your viewer thinks they're listening to a robot, they immediately trust you less. They engage less, they subscribe less. The right way is to either clone your own voice or find a unique voice that isn't overused. On 11 Labs, there are thousands of voice options. Pick something that fits your niche and isn't the same voice on 50 other channels. Funny enough, my own voice is actually on 11 Labs if you want to use it, but the point is find something unique. Also, make sure to listen to the entire voiceover before using it. AI voices sometimes mispronounce words or have weird pacing. You need to catch those errors before they end up in your final video. Stage 4 is visuals and editing. This is where you can save the most time. Traditional video editing takes hours. Finding stock footage, cutting clips, adding transitions, syncing everything to the voiceover. It's tedious and boring. AI tools can now do most of this automatically. I built VidAI specifically for this. You paste in your script and it generates a full video with matching visuals, captions, and everything. What used to take 3 hours now takes 10 minutes. But again, you can't just accept whatever the AI spits out. You need to watch the video and make adjustments. Does this clip actually match what's being said? Are the captions accurate? Is the pacing right? Sometimes the AI picks weird visuals that don't make sense. Sometimes the timing is slightly off. Your job is to catch those issues and fix them before publishing. Stage 5 is thumbnails and titles. This is the packaging that determines whether anyone clicks on your video. And AI can help here too, but you need to be careful. AI-generated thumbnails are getting people in trouble. If you create a thumbnail showing something that didn't happen, like a fake celebrity quote or a fake news event, YouTube might flag it as misleading. And even if you don't get flagged, viewers will lose trust when the video doesn't match the thumbnail. The right way to use AI for thumbnails is to generate concepts and backgrounds, not fake scenarios. Use AI to create eye-catching designs and then add your own text and elements. For titles, AI is actually really useful. You can generate 50 title variations in seconds and then pick the best one. I test multiple titles for every video, and AI helps me come up with options I never would have thought of myself. Now let me give you the most important rule of using AI on YouTube. Always add value. I don't care how you make your content. I don't care if AI does 90% of the work. The only thing that matters is whether your viewer walks away better off than before they watched. Did they learn something? Were they entertained? Did you solve a problem for them? If yes, you're good. If no, your channel will fail regardless of whether you used AI or not. YouTube's algorithm is designed to surface content that keeps people watching. If your content is valuable, people watch longer. YouTube pushes it to more people. You grow. If your content is AI-generated garbage, people click away immediately. YouTube stops showing it, you stay at 0 forever. The AI is just a tool, the value comes from you. Let me also talk about disclosure, because this trips people up. YouTube now requires you to disclose if your content contains realistic AI-generated elements. There's a checkbox in YouTube Studio when you upload. If you're using AI voiceovers or AI-generated visuals, you should check that box. Does this hurt your performance? From everything I've seen, no. YouTube isn't penalizing people for using AI. They're penalizing people for not disclosing it when required. So just check the box and move on. Here's my complete AI workflow for running a Faceless channel. Step 1, use AI to research and validate video ideas. Step 2, use AI to write a first draft script, then heavily edit it yourself. Step 3, generate voiceover with a unique AI voice. Step 4, use AI to create the video with matching visuals. Step 5, review everything manually and make fixes. Step 6, create thumbnail and title with AI assistance. Step 7, upload with proper settings and disclosure. This entire workflow takes about 1 to 2 hours per video instead of 8 to 10 hours the traditional way. That means you can post 3 to 4 times per week without burning out. If you want to implement this system and have my team personally help you every step of the way, that's exactly what Tube Accelerator is for. You get access to me and my coaches who review your content and give you direct feedback. You get access to my content team who can literally make videos for you. And you get access to our community of over 11,000 creators who are building channels using these exact methods. Click the link in the description to book a free call with my team. We'll talk about your goals and see if we're a good fit to help you. No pressure at all. And if you want to keep learning for free, check out this video right here, which is basically a complete course on building faceless YouTube channels. My name is Matt Parr. Go use AI the right way, and I'll see you in the next one.